Hi, Bill from CJ's here with a pair of AC and radio knob surround highlights fitting your 2010 through 2013 Mustang from Action Artistry. Action Artistry is well known for their high-end billet interior upgrades for your late model Mustang. This AC and radio surround highlights are going to fit your 2010 through 2013 Mustang and install on the dash around the factory controls. They're made of 6061 billet aluminum that is then mirror polished and given a triple chrome plate for a really custom look. These surround highlights will install easily on your Mustang using this applied double stick tape.